Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the color of your designs on Canva using this color palette feature. I think it's still loading, that's why I'm lagging like quite a lot here. But you're just going to type in color palette and the color that you want, or you can just type in color palette. For instance, you want the color to be this. Right click, apply colors to page, and as you can see, it applied the color. You can select it again to see the different options. I quite like this one, but it does work with any picture color palette that you have here. As you can see, this one's pretty cute. And that is it. It is as simple as that, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!